Got the transmission back. New housing. The other one, I think it was the right side. This ear was cut off. Maybe they're right here. It was broke off. All the guts for mine put in a new housing. Oh, I had to get other parts. Clutch was burnt and whatever else. But it's done. Hopefully no leaks. I can tell a difference. He recommended a aluminum pan instead of the original one because the original one's real thin. I can already tell a difference in the thickness. Said the other one, that's why it leaks a lot. They bend. But it's going in this. Nine-inch Ford, 22-inch wide tires. I gotta do something about that battery, amongst other things. I gotta clean all this up and repaint. And there's a few holes that I'd like to block off. Can't see them, it's too dark. But once I get that cleaned up, weld up a few holes and repaint it. And then I gotta clean up on this. I don't know. Do the best I can. First, I gotta clean up this garage. Feels like every time you start a project, it just makes a huge mess.